Hello my beautiful friends, and today I will be going over the intro for my rolling project pan, that palette for the new year 2019. I know I wasn't very consistent with my 2018 project pan, and I did not actually keep the items that I did actually finish, but I am going to go over the items that I will be using on a daily basis that I have on my face right now, and I will be rolling them in for the project pan of 2019. So let's begin with an eyeshadow palette that I will be using that I have on my eyes right now, which will be the Naked 2 palette. I've had this palette for a very long time and I haven't used it for a while, and I remember it was last weekend that I had this on my eyes. I actually used my mom's because she has the same palette, and I got so many compliments that day about my eyeshadow. It just made my eyes pop. I have brown eyes, so the colors in it are very cool tone, and for the winter, they're amazing. By the way, sorry, excuse my voice. I sound a little nasally. I do have sinus going on. Kids are sick. I'm sick. But you still gotta do what you gotta do. So the shades I'm focusing on the beginning of the month would be the YDK, Busted, and Blackout as an eyeliner. That's what I have on my eyes right now. And then I'll just actually go over so I don't get bored, because I get bored very easily using eyeshadow. So I want to make sure sorry, I'm just gonna close that. So I just want to make sure I don't get bored and I use that palette up for the new year. I want to hit pan. I want to finish it up. So let's see how I get to it. I will be using it on a daily basis, except for the days when I am going out and I do need to use other eyeshadows to create the eye look. But on a day-to-day basis, that's what I'll be using. My goal is to finish the palette or finish most of the shadows up by December 2019. And the other item I'm trying to use up is this NYX Ritualistic highlighter. I was going to show you. This was in my project pan for 2018. I stopped using it for a while. There's a dip in it, but I'm trying to use it up, and that's what I have on my face right now for more of a natural glow. It's not like pop-in, but I do have something else underneath. I'll let you know in a bit. So I use this, and I'm trying to, I don't know if I want to hit pan on this, but I don't know if I'm going to use it up. My goal would be to use it up, but we'll see. If I get bored, I'm going to get another highlighter. I love highlighters. The other thing that I love is blushes, and I'm trying to hit pan on this blush as well. I've had it for a while. It's the Nars Orgasm. I have a mini version, the deluxe sample size as well, but I've had this for a very long time, and I'm trying to finish this up. So let's see how far I get with it, but I will be using it daily, and that's what I have on my face. Everything that I'm mentioning is on my face. The other thing I'm trying to use up, this is a deluxe sample of Park Avenue Princess bronzer, and I'm trying to use this up. That's what I have on my cheeks right now. I'm trying to finish this up. I don't have very many bronzers, but I want to finish it. And then I'm trying to use, okay, so the other items I'm trying to use up is this RMS Gold luminizer, and you just need a tad bit. Like, I have it on my cheeks, and then I put the highlighter on top of it, and this is what it looks like. We'll see how far I get with it, but I want to finish that up because it's a cream product, and this sits on the skin very nicely. It's very tacky and very like glycerin kind of feeling. The other thing I'm trying to finish up is this Pure Beige LA Pro Girl Concealer. That's what I have on my face right now. I just put this concealer. The shade is too dark, so basically it's substitute for foundation color.
Yeah.
Can you shut the door, please?
Good night, Mama. Good morning, I'm sleepy. Good morning, Mama.
Okay, can you sit down?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So, can you close? Okay, so the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm trying to use up, that's what I have on my face, under my eyes, just on the highlighted parts, like on my nose, forehead, wherever I put highlighter on, I just use this, and I'm trying to use it up, so I want to finish this as well. The other thing I have is this Hip Matte Eyeshadow Duo in the shade Poppy, and it's 2 colors. I'm using the brown one for my eyebrows, so hopefully I can finish that up and then go back to my Tarte Amazonian clay. Okay.
I'm going to put my hands on the bag, okay?
The other item
I love glitter.
that I'm trying to use up is this Makeup Forever lip liner, and these are waterproof, and this is the shade. I got this as a sample. I'm trying to find the color of it. I don't know, it doesn't have a color, and you know Makeup Forever, they usually have numbers. Oh, 3C. So this is the size of it. I have another one just like that. So I'm trying to use up all the little products that I have and just be done with it so I can move on and use the full size item. So I'm trying to use that up, and that's what I have on my lips. The other thing I have on my lips is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Patina, and this is a deluxe size as well. I'm trying to use this up as well, and this pretty much looks good with the Urban Decay Naked palette, and the combo works great, as you can tell. I'm just going to show you my eyes, actually. Okay, so I'm trying to use this up as well, and the other thing I'm trying to use up with this is this NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream. And this is, trying to find a color for it, Crystallized Metal Lip Cream. It doesn't have a color. My mom got it in a set, and she gave this to me. She doesn't like using light color lipsticks or lip products, so she usually passes on the nude colors to me, and I give her the darker ones. Although I do wear darker colors, but not as much as she does. So,
Hi.
I'm also trying to finish that up.
Hi.
There's 2 other products that I have on my eyes. Is this eyeliner. I've tight lined with this Marc Jacobs Highliner, and the upper lash line inside. So I use this, and they're great. The other thing, actually on my lower lash line as well, that's what I have on. And then to top that, I use this chromographic pencil in Rich Purple by MAC as well. Purple complements brown eyes, and for every day, because my eyes are brown, this would look amazing. Can you not make noise, please?
Okay, Mama.
Thank you. And the last item I'm showing you is the Maneater Tarte Mascara. I've been using it. I think I'm almost done with it. I'm just waiting for it to run out, and then I'm going to take out other mascaras. I have sample sizes, so I'm probably going to go through the sample ones as well first, and then take out the big one. I have more of Maneater. I love, love, love this, and it's amazing for the eyelashes. It actually helped my eyelashes grow as well, so That helps. And I did do curl my eyelashes using the Shimmer eyelash curler.
Mama, are we almost done?
Yes. So that's everything. And oh, there was one more thing. Two more things actually. Sorry, I forgot to mention.
Mama, look good must you make.
Yeah. The other products that I
We're going to
used
clean up later.
is this Wet n Wild contouring palette.
And there's a mess here.
Can you stop talking? And I've been using this shade right here, the yellow one, to set the under eyes. And this is the color Caramel Toffee. This was in my project pan from last time, but I didn't end up finishing it. So I'm going to actually see if I can finish that up in the year 2019. The last product that I am trying to use up for 2019 is the Chanel 10 de Soleil. I have a huge dip, as you can see, in the middle, but I'm trying to use up the sides to bronze up my face. I did actually put that on. Over that I put the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. You don't need to set this, but I do, and I want to use this up and be done with it so I can move on with other products. And that's everything that I am using at the moment, and hope you enjoyed watching the video.
Bye bye.
I'm not done yet, baby. So my goal is to use up all of this by 2019, and this is a rolling project pan, so I am going to add more things to it. Sorry, I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair. So that's pretty much my goal, what my goal is, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching me pan that palette, especially the Naked 2 palette. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button. Thanks. Bye-bye. What do you want to say?
Bye bye.